Poor little bird. Once upon a time, was the littlest among them all, and now grown and thinks it can fly. But we are going to clip its wings. When we clip its wings, we place it where it belongs, cage restrained, and it becomes...
Yes, Aunt.
You can't continue to be here. First, you wanted to go to medical school. You wanted to be a medical doctor, but your aunt bluntly refused and stopped you and blocked you from going to a medical school. Here you go saying you don't want to go up now with me.
Look, I wish I could. But she's my caretaker.
You can't be here anymore. Look, you're grown. What has she ever done for you? Ever?
I can't disobey her. I'm sorry.
No. Ama, we can both elope to Kano. I'm to manage and handle my dad's textile business. You see, you can do anything you want. But if your auntie constantly be on the way and makes us not see as often as possible, Ama, you can do this. You can.
Look, Abdul, I'm thankful for your friendship and you being here for me.
So?
But honestly, I can't.
Come on, Ama.
I'm sorry.
You can.
I'm sorry, I have to go back inside before she gets back, okay? Take care.
Ama.
I give her my heart, I give her my love, everything. And what do I get in return? Breakfast. Heartbreak.
Bro, it's her loss. You just got to know that. You have to understand that.
Understand what? But why can't someone just love you wholeheartedly without looking for material gains? I mean, sorry, not Naya. Naya is one in a million. Or maybe I'm just not lucky.
No. Don't say that, bro. I mean, you just have to take it slow. Take it at a pace. You will meet the right girl that is better for you, bro. Just...
That word right there is the problem. The right one for me. That word. Obviously, they come to you as the right one for what? 1 week, 2 weeks, 2 days. And then before you know anything, the devil in them starts to manifest. They start flying at night like witches.
Not everybody, bro. Trust me. Just give it one more try. Just give it a shot. One more. You won't regret it, trust me.
Baby, why do I feel I know the person you want to link him with?
Babe, she's not that bad now, come on. She's really not.
No.
Bro, trust me, she's not that bad.
Not this time. You are the cause of my misery. You are the cause of my misery. You introduced me to the devil herself, Tolani. Now you want to bring another girl, right?
Trust me. You don't even know
Why do you always have to introduce the wrong people to me? What about Naya here? Naya here has a sister or a cousin. Someone good. Why are you bringing the evil spirits to me?
Bro, I swear this girl is an angel. Just give it a try. This one is really different. After this one, don't try it again. But just trust me. Just give it one more shot, bro. Okay. Babe, come on now. You know she's not that bad now. Just paint the picture. They'll be right for each other.
I don't know. Can't say anything.
I'm beginning to suspect that you want my downfall because you're bringing the bad girls to me, and your girl here is the good one.
My don, you are my don now. You are my guy now. Why do you think I'll do you like that?
Yes.
Oh, Aunt. Senator Maraba's son, Joe, isn't even picking my calls anymore since we got back from our vacation in Paris. I've been trying to connect with him, all to no avail.
My dearest niece, I have told you, don't worry yourself. If he doesn't pick your call, you go back to Kevin. Simple and crystal clear. Kevin is rich.
But...
No but. Don't overwhelm me with your pessimism, please.
Auntie,
what is it, you little... bird.
I was going to deliver this to a customer, and my delivery guy isn't picking up, and I'm running out of time.
Oh, really? I quickly want to drop it off. Now this is your tactics to go out and look for those your street boyfriends. Is that not?
She doesn't have taste.
No, I don't have any street boyfriend.
Oh, shut up. You don't talk when I'm talking. That's rude. I'm sure you know I won't approve of you going out. Because you stay back and prepare dinner.
Ma, I can actually do dinner after I quickly go drop this, please.
What part of she doesn't approve do you not understand?
I don't get it. Just get inside this minute. Get out.
Shoo!
You irritate me.
Aunt, please pay her no mind. How about we take a selfie?
Oh, you.
In this very nice outfit.
Okay, let's... Your phone is clear, Ali.
Yeah, your phone. Okay. So, come. We have to do the rest. Yes. Oh, you know what? Take off the picture.
Yeah, do that.
Yeah.
Aunt.
I do well.
One more.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Ife, I'm thinking, did I make the right decision?
And by the right decision, you mean?
Maybe I should have just followed Abdul when he said we should elope together.
But how would you know what you're getting into? Mama, up not foul.
I know, but he seems to love me genuinely. He was supportive of my business and he was always there.
Yeah, well, that doesn't mean that they are good or bad. From what we know, he's a good man. But, babe, it's not enough to want to elope with him. Trust me.
I know. But, babe, I just want things to be better. I wish for the stars.
And the stars you will get. But for now, back to life. Back to reality.
Okay.
All right, love. I have to go now. Yeah, I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
Excitement, like this will actually work.
Bro, here you go again. When shit goes south, don't you come running back and
Hey,
friend
I beg, hold it right there. Unless you make thunder fire you for there. I feel positive about this one. I have so much positive energy in me that this one, this is it. This is the it.
You have my full support.
Like
Totally.
Like you have a choice. Like you actually think you have a choice. You gave me 3 witches, things that did not work, bad luck everywhere. And where did it end up? Breakfast.
Presley, do not play that guilty card with me. Come on, bro. You said you like the sex anyways.
But I want more than just sex. I want family. I want something real. I don't want to be walking around the road like a stray dog looking for a woman now. My life is more than that.
Let's see what this one brings.
Now you're talking. Jerry, how are you?
Oh, your cousin Jerry, huh?
Hey, yeah, that's Jerry, my cousin. He's gonna be working on logistics in the company.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank you. Everything?
Jerry.
Great. Get comfortable, yeah. I'm just... So, my brother, man, if you see the way this girl makes me...
Any reason you grin from ear to ear?
Aunt just asked you a question. Cards got your tongue?
I don't need a reason to be happy.
Now, please excuse me.
Yes,
Excuse me!
yes, ma'am.
What good can possibly come from a dead fig tree?
I almost forgot that.
What? You seem to be falling in love with this stranger.
Well, I feel comfortable opening up to him. And honestly, I feel like he's an angel sent to me.
But Amma, you haven't even seen him yet, remember?
I prayed for a miracle, and this could be it.
What if he's a poor man? Or he's even on a wheelchair? You've not seen his picture or anything like that.
As long as he loves me and the feeling is mutual, look, we're good to go.
Or maybe you really want it to be so.
Well, that too. But who said it's not right to take a chance at love? No one.
Your happiness is mine, Amma.
Oh,
And this will work.
it better work.
I mean, it's so sweet. What's wrong with that? No, look at you, you're doing. Well, I know.
No, I'm not.
What's going on? What happened?
My body is itching me so much.
Sorry. What do you need me to do?
I want you to go to the vine garden outside the estate.
Okay.
Buy me some pomegranate seeds. It's good for my allergy.
It's very important.
Please.
Okay,
I'm really itching.
All right, ma. I'll go.
Oh, please take this.
Oh, okay.
Just hurry up, please.
I
hurry
will.
up.
My phone.
This is your room. Your phone is right here. Just go help Aunt. I would have helped her, but I'm having.
All right. I'm leaving now. Sorry, Auntie.
Go.
So sorry.
Just
Yes.
go. I mean,
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know what's wrong with my phone. It seems wet.
Oh, that, yes. Yes. I realized I was about to sit on it. So I picked it up and I asked Letitia to get me a cup of water. And the water flipped up my hands and crashed. The phone now fell into the water.
It did. I actually picked it up myself, but it was so wet and I tried and tried to dry it by all means, but alas.
But there's so much of a coincidence. My phone was...
Oh, shut up. Shut up. Do you think that I'm lying? I'm telling you what happened and you're telling me what nonsense.
I'm not saying that you're lying. I'm just saying that...
But you did accuse her.
Now apologize.
But I didn't do anything wrong.
Apologize.
Now.
I'm sorry.
Go. What are you still waiting for? Get out of my sight. Get out!
Oh, poor baby.
So we have three investors coming in on Friday. And Mr. Francis asked that you reschedule his meeting for Monday next week.
Thank you. Jerry, great job, okay? Thank you very much.
I told you to trust me.
I do trust you, Jerry. I do.
Are you okay? You look very disturbed.
Hmm?
You look disturbed. What's wrong?
Jerry, there's this girl I have been chatting with online. And I really like her. You know, we built such a very strong connection. For the past few days, I've been messaging her and she's not responding. She just disappeared.
Why don't you call her?
It's complicated. You know what? Thank you. It's okay. I'll be fine. All right?
Okay, I'll keep this for you.
Yeah, sure. Great job with that.
But you're sure you're okay?
Yeah,
Really?
I'll be fine.
And to top it off, he's so handsome. And the owner of Press Due Tech.
That is why you have to start now. It's been a while he chatted with his damsel in distress, remember?
Of course. I, Leticia, I am now his damsel in distress. And he's my angel. Love, love.
Tell me about it.
We're meeting up.
What?
The phone didn't come on. All my contacts wiped clean. Our chats, everything is gone. And there's no option on the app to even check for the user. The user, I can't even check or search for the user. Nothing. You know, I actually thought I could just say him once. If it was aiming too high.
No, you are not. And it's not a bad thing to aim high. You can never aim too high. Look, Amma, your dreams, they are valid.
But this was my chance to be free, Ify.
No. That lies in your own hands and not anyone's.
Honestly, you don't understand.
I do, and I know that you've fallen in love with him. But, hey, I'm here. I'm here for you.
It was just too good to be true, Ify. It was too good to be true.
You
This was my chance, my one chance. And
My drama queen, the dress is not that bad. More so, it's a means to an end. You can't possibly wear something else. Not when he said in his words, he has mentally pictured you in that dress.
Aren't you always the master planner?
The other was he who said, you've got to get long legs and fast bread if you want something so bad. The question is, how bad do you want it?
By all means! Auntie, you're so sharp, really.
Yes. Thank you, at least.
you're welcome, Auntie. Auntie, Auntie's here.
Hurry up, we just started eating.
I'm looking for my red gown. I don't know if any of you saw it because I was sure that I placed it in my wardrobe.
What will my dearest niece make do with your cheap gown? 2,000 naira, I suppose.
No, Auntie, it's 15,000 naira. It's all my savings.
Oh, shut up.
Still cheap. Well, I didn't see it.
Leticia, I love you. Auntie, I love you too. Leticia, we used to bond as little kids. We told each other everything. For some years now, you've spoken to me with so much disdain. Can't we go back to the way things used to be? But you despise me so much.
Oh, gosh, I just lost my appetite. And it's all thanks to you.
Always a jolly thief, this girl.
Yes, I despise you. And I'll tell you why. It was you who caused my father's death. And the pain of it led my mom to a heart attack. And you're standing here stupidly asking me why I despise you.
It wasn't my fault. You can't keep blaming me. He was my father too. And honestly, you don't know the depth of pain I feel. It was an accident.
No, it wasn't. It was your magnet of misfortune.
Auntie.
Oh, yes. Your mother died while giving birth to you. What does that tell you?
Not like she doesn't deserve it.
No, I would not have you speak about my mother like that.
You are asking questions and we are giving you answers. So no, we can never go back to how close we were because then I was naive and ignorant of the type of bad luck you exude. You really should never have been born.
Leticia.
Now she can't stand the truth. She asked for it.
Stupid girl.
Eat your food.
I just lost my appetite, really.
Eat your food.
Excuse me. You're the maid servant around here.
Yes, ma'am. Her name is Yemi, not maid servant.
But that's clearly what she is, and she knows her place. Oh. Presley, my love. Who are these people?
Good evening, everyone.
Jerry, good evening. This is Jerry, my cousin. He's in charge of logistics and statistics in my company.
It's nice to meet you, Letitia.
And this is Zeno, my best friend, and his girlfriend Naya. Their love is just totally unique.
Oh, that's nonsense. I'm sure ours will be better by far. Hey, Zeno. I suppose you're also a billionaire like my Presley here, aren't you?
I don't think I get you, but I mean, I own my own export company and...
Oh, I get it. The friend of the rich guy.
It's a pleasure to meet you. It's okay.
Welcome to my home, and this is my family.
Oh, baby. Presley, I am... Sweetheart, I really don't like being around too many people. I thought we would have something more intimate.
Yeah, we will have something intimate, but first I had to introduce you to my family, and we have a meal together.
Yes, but I am bored, so how about we go upstairs, you take me in, you know? How about we do that, huh? Come on.
Sorry, guys, I just...
Hey,
Come on, my love.
hey, take your time.
Oh, yes.
What insolence? That girl has gold digging antics, and it will soon start manifesting.
Hey, just ignore. Come on, man, just eat your food.
Maybe our relationship will be different. Blah, blah, blah. Did you hear?
Babe, just ignore her. She'll be fine. Just come on, man, just eat. Trust me, people are different. Come on, just eat.
Just do.
Babe, we had the best moment. You took me to Cloud 9 and my feet did quiver. I felt the rhythmic depths.
Oh no, God.
Oh no, what? Hey, you told me how much you wanted me, right? And here I am now, in person. So why the exclamation?
It's not that. It's just that I wanted this to be special. Not like all the random girls and random sex I've had in my life.
But I am special. Yes, I am. And honestly, I do not like it when you try to compare me to all those random and rickety girls. I don't.
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to compare you to anyone. It's just that, but
No buts, my darling. You belong to me and I belong to you. And that's just how it should be. That's the energy we should give off. Alright? Dig? That was so nice.
By the way, I think that you should apologize to my cousin and my friends. You are not so nice to them yesterday.
Apologize to them for what exactly? I was polite enough. And you really should start calling me baby.
Did we?
Do you want to go some more? Do you want to go some more?
She's not the same person, bro. You know, she's not the same person I was chatting with. Like, it's just like I was chatting with a different person and I met a different person.
Bro, I told you before. People are different behind this keypad. But no, you insisted. She's the one. Give it a shot.
Oh, she's the one, that's the problem. That's what I'm still trying to figure out.
Wait. So she's no longer the one, like the love of your life?
Well, she's fun, interesting. You know, we already did it. I mean, you know. Yeah,
Bro.
We did it.
Don't tell me you took it there already, bro.
I didn't take it there already. It just happened. We were tipsy, we were drinking, and then one thing led to the other.
God. You know she's not here to play. She's really not here to play. Come on, man.
I know what to do. See, I'm just probably going to date her and see where it leads to. If it's meant to be, it is. If it's not, then it's not.
You might as well do that, man. You took it there already, so hey.
I did not take it there. It happened. We were drinking. Alcohol cost it.
Bro, you played it that way. You went to change the oil.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't sit down and
First
think
half,
of it.
you have gone to change the oil,
I did
bro.
not think of it.
Oh.
It's just like you go into a game and you just get injured the first 1 minute. That wasn't my doing.
Stay focused, my man. Stay focused.
Dreams do come true. I mean, I never thought we would be here now, where we are. I am so lucky to be here with you.
You are not lucky. I mean, we bonded effortlessly online. It's just so real. And ever since then, I haven't been able to get you off my mind.
Oh my goodness. You sure do have a way with words, don't you?
Well,
okay, let me refill our glasses.
no, I think we shouldn't do this again, okay? Yeah,
But why?
well, you know how this ended the last time. Why don't we just bond, you know, get to know each other for us, you know? For instance, you can start by inviting me to your house and also telling me why you never stated that you were so troublesome.
Okay, first off, my aunt says she would never entertain any male friends of mine in her house,
Okay.
well, except as my fiance. And secondly, baby, why would you say I'm troublesome? I'm not.
Because you are very troublesome. Yes, you are. I mean, and I think you also like to stir up some drama. You know, the other time during dinner when you try to create drama.
Oh, now I'm sorely vexed.
Hey, come on. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Of course, I love your drama.
You do? Aw, my prince.
Oh, do you doubt me?
No, I'm good now.
So, what do you see in the movie?
Yeah, what can we see now?
I already sent her your contact. Please, she will drop them with you.
Wait. You and Zeno think I am now an errand boy or what?
I would never personally see that.
Obviously, I'm joking. Yeah. She's trying to call me, so I'll just call you back, okay?
Alright, call me when you're done.
Alright, I thought you'd meet me at Benny Street. Alright then. Bye. Hello? Yes, I am on Benny Street now. Yeah, I think she's already here. Just to meet her then. Yeah, I can see her. Alright guys, bye. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Here are the bags that your girlfriend ordered. I'm so sorry for the hassle. My dispatch rider had an emergency.
No, it's nothing. I was on my way back from work and I felt to be a hassle. And it's not.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm Presley and you are?
Amma, nice to meet you.
Amma.
Yeah.
Nice to meet
I have to go now.
you. How about I drop you off, you know?
No. A taxi will do.
Come on, I insist. I don't bite, right?
No, I don't want to.
Hey, come on, I'll drop you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So,
It's okay. Okay, you can just sit down, son.
very fast.
So how was your day?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for the ride.
You're welcome. Not mentioned. I must say you are very talented
Oh,
and
thank
beautiful woman.
Thank you. Your girlfriend likes the bags,
Oh
actually.
no, actually, she's not my girlfriend. She's my best friend's girlfriend.
I see. So, you're single.
It's a very, very complicated situation.
Right.
Yeah.
I have to.
Yeah, I can actually make do with your friendship. You know, I would really need it. Right.
Friendship, okay.
Here's my card. Just call me anytime you need someone to talk to. Remember, I don't bite.
All right, thank you. I have to go in before my auntie comes in.
Fine. Don't forget to call.
All right, take care. Bye.
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 Letitia, time. Time, Letitia, we don't have it.
And I really don't think the time is right. He already thinks I'm troublesome, even though he says he likes my drama.
But then nothing. Can't you see time is one luxury we can afford at a time like this, when we have plans of such in our hands?
Aunt.
Let me tell you something. That man will go on to meet someone else in no distant time, and you will lose him.
What? He can't. He loves me. He has an attachment to his damsel in distress. And as long as he sees me as her, his love for me will be unwavering and undying.
Oh, really? I thought so too. When Ruby promised me the whole world. And what did he do? He ditched me for a local girl. A flim bag at that.
Oh, Aunt.
You have to make him realize that he has to marry you. We have to penetrate that family, control his assets, and have it in your name. Once he marries you, automatically I become the mother-in-law. And you know what I'm going to do?
Tell me.
I'm going to chase all his dull-witted friends in his house. I'll chase all of them away. That's what I'm going to do.
Exactly. And then we'll hire all those foreign maidservants who speak different foreign languages, and we'll have them at our beck and call.
Then make him marry you. We don't have time. We have a lot to achieve.
Aunt, I'm working on it.
Work harder, baby. Make him marry you.
I hear you.
I don't have time.
I know.
Okay. They cut the call.
He'll go back.
Are you sure?
I know, I have faith. We'll fast.
Oh. Hi. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Good evening.
I'm sorry for ignoring your calls. I have just been very busy.
Well, I don't take offense. I know that you're busy.
So how about I propose we meet? Look, it's just my way of apologizing officially.
I accept.
Yes. Okay, so I would see you, right?
Bye.
Amy? Who's going to do?
Hey, Presley, my love.
Hey, how are you? Auntie, good afternoon.
Babe, why are there no plans or preparations for my birthday? I sent you a reminder just last night.
Yes, I'm sorry, it ended my mind. You know, I got caught up with work and all of that, but I quickly rectified. I called Zeno and we got something for you.
Oh, you did? Yes. Oh, that's so lovely. You're such a sweet man.
That's lovely.
Yemi,
Yes, sir.
please get me the thing I kept on the bed, okay?
Oh, please, hurry up. I'm very impatient, babe. What did you buy for me, huh?
All you get to see is calm down.
I can't wait.
Calm
After
down.
all, it's my birthday, isn't it?
It's your birthday. Yeah.
Oh.
Do you want to drink something?
We're fine.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let's see. What is it?
Yeah.
Is it like a necklace or what is that? Oh my God! An engagement! Oh my God! No! I'm engaged!
No.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm engaged!
It's wrong.
What? Oh my God! You're so. Thank you so much. Oh my God! You're so sweet. Thank you, my God.
This calls for celebration.
Yes! It calls for celebration! I am engaged! I'm the one who defines what the upper echelon is, guys! I mean, look at the size of the room!
Congratulations! Congratulations, darling!
Thank you!
It's all your fault, Zeno. It's all your fault. I mean, just look at what you've cost right now.
Bro, I mean, how was I supposed to know it was going to get mixed up in your necklace box?
Oh, guess what? Everyone thinks I am engaged to her on purpose right now because of your silly mistake.
Bro, you should have just told her there and then that it was an error.
And ruined her feelings just like that? Are you serious?
That's on you.
Look, bro, you need to fix this. You need to fix this. I mean, that ring was supposed to be used to propose to Naya, and look at you sitting down here acting unbothered as if nothing happened. Oh, hey. Bro, this was deliberate, right? You planned this. You planned this.
Come on, stop it, Presley. What do you mean I planned this? Of course you know I wanted to propose to Naya. But bro, maybe this whole thing happened for a reason. I'm really not ready.
You're not ready. No. Just look at how easy it's coming out of your mouth. So I'm supposed to take the fall for your unseriousness.
Bro, but you've always wanted to get married. What happened to your damsel in distress?
Maybe I should just tell Naya that you were supposed to propose to her and you changed your mind in the first place. Don't do that.
Who is proposing to who?
Oh, hey, babe. Presley just recently proposed to Letitia.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I never pictured that girl with you. Like, with you.
I know, right? It's amazing.
All the same. Congratulations.
Hi, Emma. Hey, I have something to tell you.
What's wrong? Presley, you can talk to me. I'm a safe place.
Look, I think I have made the biggest mistake. I am engaged to someone.
I guess you call it the biggest mistake because you don't love her.
Yeah, it was a proposal by error, you know. I don't even want the ring. It was mixed up with some of my details, and now I'm trying to figure out a way to correct this error.
Well, the best thing for you to do is to tell her that it can't work.
Yeah, but the thing is, I feel she knows I don't love her, but she would rather believe in an illusion of a perfect us.
I guess that's your true feelings, right?
Yeah, it is. That's why I need you.
This is complicated.
Look, every time I see you, I speak to you, something becomes alive. I'm thinking we should spend more time together.
You need me as friends, right? I mean, you're already engaged.
Yeah, as friends.
Fine.
Bye.
What?
Aunt Bianca, Presley has not been picking my calls ever since he got me engaged.
Maybe he's busy. Or thinking about his next phase of life with you.
No, I doubt that. He hasn't even replied to my messages, even with red receipts.
I have told you, he can't ignore you. Don't you know whom you're engaged to? What if not? Don't overwhelm yourself with doom and gloom. I keep telling you this. Your dream man is already a mile away from you, and nothing can change that. In fact, we'll start planning the wedding. I'll be expecting 500 guests.
500 guests?
Oh yes, 500 guests. And that will be in Paris.
Aww.
2 months from this day.
I am so excited.
You have nothing to worry about. And where is this little cage boy that has no ambition? Amma! Amma!
Yes, Auntie.
Prepare me a warm bath. 500 guests, yes. Is that not a little too much? No.
I trust you. I trust you.
I'm in charge.
Come in. Hold on. Hi, baby. You're welcome. How are you?
Baby. Since when did you start calling me that?
Sorry, no offense.
None taken. Actually, I brought this bag for you. I made it specially for you.
This is beautiful. It's pretty exclusive.
Yeah.
I like it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please, sit, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Lovely apartment.
Thank you.
So,
You go first.
No, you go first.
No, please.
You first.
Okay. So I was gonna ask,
Right.
why don't you have a boyfriend? Or are you waiting for me?
Well, I was waiting for my anonymous lover, but life happened.
Anonymous lover. How would you need that when I'm right here in front of you?
I thought we agreed that we're going to be friends.
Yeah, I thought so too, but the truth is I'm falling deeply in love with you. I'm literally spellbound by the sight of you.
I love you too.
I'm sorry? Oh, okay. Okay, do me a favor and send me a total compilation of all the exported products that we have, okay? Yes, send me that in a email. Get on it right away. I'm waiting for you. All right, thank you. Babe, are you okay? Is everything all right? Are you having problems with your research project?
When exactly are we moving to the next level? Presley's engaged to that brat, and you that claim to love me to the ends of the world and beyond, you can't even propose.
Babe, you know we have time. We still have a lot of time.
I'm sorry. I'm 31. I don't have enough time.
Babe, okay, please let me think about it. Please.
That's what you always say. You know what? I'm beginning to believe that this is a show-off for you.
Naya, why would you even say that? You know how much I love you.
Then prove it. Prove it by putting a ring on my finger.
Naya, come on, don't act like this now.
Goodness. Ew, the door isn't even locked. I need to send these animals out of my baby's house. Presley, my love! You haven't been taking my calls and
What makes you think you have the right to walk into this house as you please?
Would you please get out of my way?
Where do you think you're going?
I say you have absolutely no idea whom you're talking to. I am Leticia Onajite Richards, soon to become Mrs. Leticia Presley DK. And trust me, when I do, I will make sure I chase your sorry ass back to whatever hole you crawled out from.
Well, you will not be having the opportunity to do that. Do you know why? We all know he proposed to you by error.
How dare you speak to me with such derision?
Are you going to leave this house or do you want me to call security? Get out of this house!
Oh, really? Well, I'll leave, but I will be back, and then it will be your cousin chasing you back to the streets where you belong.
We'll see about that.
Nincompoop.
Get out!
Get out! You stink! Nonsense. I'll be back.
can't believe you are leaving me
I have to go.
now. Thank you very much for the cuddles, for the hugs, the kisses. You know, I have not felt this level of warmth all my life.
Before we get more intimate, we need to stop.
No. Stop, why?
Look, I'm just
Why would I want to stop?
Honestly, I'm just a diversion for you. You're going to end up marrying your fiancé.
But I told you that's an error. Like, it's you I love.
Look, I can't be in a triangle with another woman who will do anything to claim you. If it's truly an error, then call it off officially. I'm sorry, I can't do this with you.
Come on now. Amma. This Letitia girl is just an evil spirit.
My dear, you can't give up.
That irrelevant cousin of his said that I was proposed to by accident. He actually said that to me, Aunt.
Why are you bothering yourself with that? As if you didn't know he was about to say something on that day of the event, if I had not quickly shut him up. Imagine the disgrace if he were to say he wasn't proposing to you.
But he loves me. I'm his damsel in distress.
Oh, please. That was before. That was then. You better take your head off that cloud into actuality. We have work to do. And I mean it. A lot of work to do.
Presley DK is mine, and he can't be anyone else's.
Oh, yes, it should be yours. He's our last hope. We can't sell the house.
Yes. Yes, Aunt. I am going to move into that house, and that wedding must hold.
Good morning, Auntie. Good morning, Letitia.
You've been spending the night outside the house.
I'm sure you've been with one disreputable mudlark. A valueless man, I suppose. Why can't you just get a life?
Oh, please. Who will ever look at a girl twice with no panache? You don't walk out on me when I'm still talking.
You don't verbally abuse me like I'm some slave.
And what are you, aside from being a slave? Pray tell me.
You know, I don't need to tell you my worth. If you don't see it, you don't see it. And yes, I'm an adult.
Oh, really? I see. But guess what? You will pay for this disregard. You will pay for it.
This girl has some nerves.
What's going on? Did she just walk out on us?
She has a death wish.
Way to go, Amma. Just the way to go. Enough of all that insult and disrespect.
Yes, I'm done with people talking down on me. I'm going to defend myself. I won't allow it to happen.
Spirit. That's the spirit. You know, you should pick. I think you should just pick it and hear him out.
He's with someone else.
Someone else. That he proposed to by error. That auntie literally proposed to herself. Pick it now. Just hear what he has to say. If he's not making sense, got it. He's still calling. Pick, just pick. Pick now.
Thank you for always being there for me.
You know, I tried to fight it. I couldn't anymore.
What are you fighting? Why do you even feel the need to fight? Don't you feel the chemistry? The passion we share? You know what? I've made up my mind. Tomorrow I am going to come clean with her. I'll tell her everything. You know, it just feels like she fooled me into believing she's someone else. Or in the real sense, you're everything I want in a woman. You're meek, humble, passionate, loving. You're tender. And you're soft. It makes me feel like I have shared a deeper connection with you before now.
Anytime I'm with you, I'm reminded of the one I never got to meet. I call him my anonymous lover. It's like God replaced you with you.
You know, you should be my damsel in distress now. What is it?
Who is your damsel in distress?
Wait, did I say anything wrong?
Ashley, who is your damsel in distress?
Yeah, you know, we met on this app called Soulmate. And it's an app where, well, funny part is that they have crazy rules. You know, you cannot share photos, you cannot share contact, or even your name with the person till you meet the person. You know, and I mean, she used to call me her angel of love, call her my damsel in distress. But the funny thing is, I fell in love with the idea of her. The connection was deep. But when I met her in person, it felt like she was not the same person I was chatting with. It's just like day and night, like two different people. I don't understand that part.
What is her name?
Letitia Richards. Wait, what is it? Hey, what is it?
Can I see a picture, please?
Wait, your eyes are teary. Are you okay?
Please, can I see a picture, please? Please.
Sure.
No, I have to go.
You have to go. Come on.
What have you both done? What have you done?
What exactly are you talking about? And mind the way you talk to me.
Leticia pretended to be me to the love of my life. All this while, I thought I lost him, only to find out that she was impersonating me.
Oh, that's an old news. How did you get to know?
What exactly do you want from me? What? What exactly do you want? You turned me into a nanny in my father's house. You refused me an education, and you turned my sister's heart against me. Why? Why do you want the littlest happiness that I have? Why? She stole my gown and spoiled my phone, and you sit there saying that. How did I find out?
You mean this rickety gown? Amma, I only wore this gown once to see my Prince Charming for formality's sake. And ew, I've never even tried it on since then.
Leticia, why? Why do you want my life? You have everything at your beck and call. Why do you want mine?
Now shut up. Shut up, you little thing. What were you expecting?
Every single bit of my heart, every single bit of my heart has led me to you. I cannot live without you.
Look, I wish I could, but I can't. I can't. You have to go on with her.
No, I don't want her.
But she's having your baby. How do you want to stoop so low as to settle with this flea bag? Don't you know she's not befitting of a man with such prestige as you?
Stay away from me. Both of you. Both of you should better stay away from me. I know everything, okay? Stay the hell away from me. Do you understand? That's why I'm telling you we'll be moving. What is wrong with you? Are you guys high on something? Are you guys on drugs? Huh? Okay, what did you tell her? That you are pregnant for me?
Yes, I am.
We only had sex once and I was drunk. You drugged me.
And so what? Really? That shows how very fertile I am.
I don't care about your fertilizer.
Honey, my dearest niece will not have a child out of wedlock.
Yes.
And let me tell you something. We are moving into your house whether you like it or not. If you refuse us, I will personally sue you for getting her pregnant.
Exactly.
I should have seen this coming. I should have seen all this scheming. All you guys have been plotting. Stay away from me, okay? Stay away from me.
In case you didn't know, I am now your wife.
That's it. That's it.
Don't worry. I will kill that girl.
Don't worry. I want it.
If I need to make some money, I want to leave the city and never come back.
I think you have a guest.
A guest? What are you doing here? How did you find me?
I picked his calls when you wouldn't pick your phone.
Ife.
Please don't leave.
Look, I can't do this with you.
Oh, yeah, we can.
You're having a baby with my sister. Don't you understand?
So what do you want me to do? What would you have me do to make us work?
Stay the hell away from me. Go away. That's what I want.
Amma. Jerry, she's not picking my calls anymore. I cannot lose her just like that. I can't.
But you're really expecting a child with Letitia, right? You should not have anything to do with Amma anymore. Or what do you want people to say? That you're expecting a child with one sister and marrying the other?
I don't care what people think. I can't do it. I cannot.
You should. I mean, it's going to be messy and everything's just going to spoil.
Oh, Jerry, you know what? I just need a moment. I need to be alone, please.
I really think you should marry Letitia.
Please, Jerry, please. Just let me be alone.
By she, you mean Letitia?
Yes, yeah.
Thank you.
Jerry! Jerry!
Yes, I'm coming. Bro, what's wrong?
Jerry, you are... You're not my cousin. You're a very hardworking person. And I'm very proud of you.
It's all thanks to you, brother.
About the advice you gave me concerning Letitia. I think you're right.
Now you're seeing things from my perspective. I mean, if you marry Letitia, you're bonding with the mother of your child, you know. And that's the right thing you need to do to give you peace of mind. You're going to marry Letitia. Letitia, right?
Well, from my own perspective, you're going to go inside, you will pack your things, and you will get out of my house. And if I see you anywhere near me, you're not going to like it. You can move in with the mother of your child. You want to talk? You want to talk? If you say one more word, no. Upstairs, get your things and get out.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Where are you going? Answer me, where are you off to? Oh, I thought you wanted to compete for the love of my life, so why then are you running off like a scared car?
You know what? I'm going far away from the both of you. I don't ever want to see any of your faces again.
Oh, good. This is what you should have done all this while. Go away, go, probably go and meet one failed man, a man who has never done well for himself. That is who you deserve.
Even if that happens, I will not be as venomous as any of you.
And yet, all the venomous ones get the nicest things in life.
In your dreams, Leticia. In your dreams. Presley never loved you and will never love you. How dare you! What's wrong with you? You will actually...
Expecting our baby.
Shut up this minute.
You shut up. Shut up when you come and shut up! How could you decorate me with so much shame? What kind of embarrassment is this? You flea bag. You've been sleeping with my niece?
Let's talk about this. You can't leave me. I merely saw him as a means.
Amma. Hey, Amma.
What?
Amma.
What?
Amma, I'm here now. Okay? I'm here. I'm never going to leave you. Not in this life. Not in the next. I did this to prove to you that you're the only one for me. You're the only one in my life. Look, let's start fresh on a new canvas. Just you and I. A new beginning.
Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
Are you crazy or something? You want to stop me from entering my house? Is something wrong with you? Let's get inside.
You can't go.
What's wrong with you?
It's my fault.
Huh? What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
You're Let's get inside.
You cannot go inside. This is my
Welcome,
house.
madam.
How dare you do this to us?
So what to you? Huh? This is my house. Yes. You know, Presley actually got me a lawyer. And we found out that you tampered with the will. This house, the farm you sold, is mine. Everything he left for you to use, squandered it, and you are left with nothing.
know what? This is actually what you both deserve. And if you trespass, I will have you arrested. Kelvin, no. I'm not about to do this again. I'm not calling him.
Shut up. You want to live a miserable life? Put a call across to him this minute! Can't you see we've lost everything? Can't you see?
Madam, you need to leave. You are taking time.
And I said, shut up. His
Happy vacation!
What's the meaning of that?
He drove off. Oh my God. Kelvin! Look at what is all this?
You look so beautiful.
Like this.
You're totally transformed. But she learned how to do makeup and stuff. I know you're fine. Natural beauty. Beautiful. I missed you too. It's so good to see you. This is your natural hair. Every time it's so beautiful. Nobody shrinks it.
Nah, I think I have just the perfect way to say I'm sorry.
Added earrings. Yes, earrings. Bracelet. Yes, I did. And bracelet and stuff.
I don't want to go a day without you. I want you to be my wife now. Please say yes.
Yes.
I woke up to the first light of day.
Congratulations.
Closed the door and I was on my way. I was gone.
Hey.
And here I am standing in front of you with my heart beating for you.
Firstly, stop.
A second beating.
Stop it.
Please indulge me. Well, you didn't indulge me in this journey of forever and a day. Smile, man. Tell her to say yes, guys. Come on, say yes.
Yes! 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 Oh my God.
This is so yes. So, you guys need to make a glass of me.
No, baby, I don't drink, so I can have it.
And a song. Where the ocean waves long string.